All right, hello beauty, sugar Euniycemari here, and today we're going to be talking about clarifying the hair and the scalp, why it's important, and ways and methods that you can clarify your hair and your scalp. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
All right, you guys, how y'all doing? So I have lots of energy, as you guys can tell. This video is going to be all about clarifying the scalp and the hair, and I want to kind of touch in on this because this is a really important part of a hair care routine. I do have a video talking about cleansing of a scalp. I don't quite remember how deep I went in on that, but that was like videos probably like a year or two ago. So I wanted to kind of come in and dig in a little bit deeper when it comes to clarifying the hair and the scalp. Now, where do I start? Because I don't have notes, so we're freelancing on this one, okay? So there are different types of shampoos, okay? So okay, first of all, let's start off with what I mean by clarifying the scalp and the hair. So when you clarify the scalp and the hair, you're just removing any product buildup, any oils, just any dirt from the hair and from the scalp that may sit on top and cause you to have like dandruff or irritated scalp, or keeps products from penetrating the hair. So you want to usually use something that's going to strip away all that mess that's sitting on top of the hair and get it really clean, like squeaky clean, okay? Clarifying the hair should be done, I would say, once out the month. It should not be done every day. It should not be done every time that you wash your hair. It should only be done once a month, okay? I have a fun story to tell you guys, all right? So me, back in my days when I used to use Dax, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Dax, the orange tin, that pomade, that crap that's no good for your hair. I was putting that in my hair nonstop, like every day. And one day I went to go to the salon and get my hair done. So I went to the salon to get my hair done, and the problem the lady was having was removing the Dax out of my hair. And she had to go and clarify my hair a couple of times to really try to strip that Dax out of my hair. And Dax is really horrible for your hair. It just a layer of like grease and mineral oil. It's horrible for your hair. And after that, I've never used it ever again. But okay, I don't know what's going on in here, but yeah, so that's like a little story for you guys. Like, you know, when you use certain products in your hair, they need to be removed thoroughly by a clarifying shampoo or a clarifying method so that you can have the cleanest scalp and hair to apply more products, etc, etc. So how do you clarify? One may ask, what are some methods that you clarify? I think being a natural, some naturals I think clarify a little bit differently because you don't use products that have sulfates in it. And then you got those who don't mind, so they use actual clarifying shampoos that may have, you know, sulfates and all that stuff in it. So I'm going to break that down to you, and I'm going to kind of share with you guys what I do to clarify my hair. So usually regular shampoos, they have like sulfates in them, but it's not enough to remove buildup, okay? Especially if you use a lot of gel in your hair or hairspray, etc, etc. That's not enough to really get rid of it. So you really want to use something that is going to be a little bit more stripping. And whenever you look for a clarifying shampoo, it'll strictly say clarifying shampoo. So it will strictly say what it's for. And that's what you want to use once a month to strip the hair of everything and to make sure that it is ultimately clean. And that's pretty much the typical way that they do it. I can't remember what clarifying shampoo I used to use, if I ever really used it. I think I always just use tea tree oil. Dr. Bronner's tea tree shampoo. But yeah, so whenever you're looking for a clarifying shampoo, it will say clarifying shampoo on it. It will say that on there, so you know that versus the regular shampoo. Now, as a natural, me myself, a lot of shampoos I use and a lot of my products I use don't contain mineral oils. They're not heavy. They're all very natural, lightweight on my hair. So, and I wash my hair once a week, so I don't use a lot of products that have a lot of heaviness in them or heavy mineral oils or anything like that. Even shea butter, I don't use that in my hair. Also, what I clarify with I use Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap. That does a really great job of I don't want to say stripping the hair, but it does make my hair squeaky freaking clean, okay? So I will use Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap to clarify, as well as the bentonite clay method. Now, I have a full video on me using bentonite clay in my hair. I will leave it above, down below. But that, I think, is the best way. You put it in your hair and on your scalp, and it just draws out all those toxins. And the bentonite clay method, I would say you can use that probably once every other month or as needed. That one's a little bit, I feel, a little bit more stronger. So you don't have to use the bentonite clay every month. I would say it'd probably be a little bit too harsh on the hair. The Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap method you can use once a month on the hair. I think that would be perfectly fine. So it depends on, you know, if you're natural or if you really don't care about ingredients. Some people really don't care about ingredients and they just clarify their hair regularly. And then you still got some naturals who kind of clarify with the regular clarifying soap or shampoo. So those are just some methods. There are probably more methods out there of clarifying the hair, but those are just 2 or 3 methods that I really know for a fact. If you guys know any other methods of clarifying hair and scalp, let me know down below, okay? I don't know if apple cider vinegar is a way to clarify. I've never tried it, so I don't know. Maybe it probably is good for the scalp, but I don't know. If you guys have any other methods of clarifying, leave it down below. So lastly, the benefits of clarifying the hair is just have a clean canvas. You have a clean canvas, a clean scalp, and you want to make sure that you are getting rid of anything that is sitting on the scalp, sitting on the hair, and that just adds to the health of your hair as well as the look of your hair, and it just helps your products to apply better and for your styles to look a lot better. So it is important that you are clarifying your hair and scalp at least once a month. I especially say that it's important to clarify, especially if you have dandruff or if you have any scalp issues. That can really help to minimize those issues and to help heal up those issues if you are having an itchy scalp or dandruff, because that's just irritation on the scalp. Something is sitting on the scalp that your scalp is not agreeing with. So yeah, you guys, yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys have any tips or anything when it comes to clarifying the hair, go ahead and leave it down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.